Hello mga boss, welcome back dito sa ating podcast. Today, pag-uusapan natin ang building your personal brand as a freelancer. Bakit ito importante? Well, having a strong personal brand will help you stand out, no? Mag-attract ka ng more clients and build trust doon sa mga audiences mo. So, whether you're just starting out as a freelancer or meron ka na experience kagad, this guide will help you create a brand that leaves a lasting impression. So, tara na, simulan na natin. Boom, let's go!
Welcome to the Home-Based Connect podcast. This podcast is for Filipinos who want to become a virtual assistant, a social media manager, a Facebook ads freelancer, a WordPress freelancer, a Shopify freelancer, and many more. And now with your host, with 7 years experience in online freelancing, and currently with more than 40,000 students and counting in his online courses. Let's all welcome Boss Jake TV.
So, welcome back guys sa ating podcast. Today, we're gonna be talking about building your personal brand as an online freelancer. I'm gonna be talking about 9 na mga important key points for this podcast. Okay, let's start na dito sa ngayon sa ating number 1. Number 1 is you need to define your unique value proposition o tinatawag natin na UVP. So, first step is to define your unique value proposition or UVP. Ito yung nagpapakita kung bakit ikaw dapat ang piliin ni kliyente kaysa sa iba. Okay, your UVP tells clients what makes you different and why you're the best choice. Okay, so kailangan natin yan. So, in order for us to create this UVP, we need first to identify kung ano ba yung mga strength natin. Ano ba yung mga bagay na magiling ka sa online freelancing world. Are you a creative designer, a persuasive copywriter, or maybe a strategic social media manager, no? Next is focus on your target audiences. Sino ba ang mga kliyente na gusto mong ma-attract? For example, kung content writer ka, maybe your target is small business owners who want SEO content for their websites, yung mga ganun. Okay? Example, kung Facebook ad freelancer ka, sino bang, hindi lang siya like general na Facebook ad eh. Dapat mo talaga, let's say for example, sino ba yung tina-target mo? Let's say for example, yung may mga pet store ba? So, very targeted talaga yung mga tina-target talaga dito. Okay? So, in order for you to write your UVP, in short, dapat maging clear na sentence. Halimbawa, for example, like this. I help startups boost their online presence through effective social media strategies. So, dapat malinaw at diretso sa punto. Okay, that's number 1. Number 2 is you need to choose your niche or yung tinatawag natin na specialization. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, right? You need to choose a niche. Mas effective kung focus ka sa isang specific na niche kaysa maging generalist ka. For example, marunong ka mag-Facebook ad, magaling ka mag-copywriter, graphic designer, magaling ka mag-SEO, magaling ka mag-WordPress, magaling ka mag-Shopify. So, ang dami mo. Ganyan ako dati, like a few years back. So, for example, if you're a writer, you can specialize in SEO content for tech na companies or example, kung email marketing ka, mag-focus ka dun sa email marketing for e-commerce ng mga brands. Pwede rin kasing mag-email marketing ka sa mga coaches, right? At tutulungan mo yung mga coaches na to generate, magkaroon sila ng mga email marketing copies ng mga strategies na pwede mong maitulong sa kanila. Bakit ito importante? Because having a niche makes you stand out as an expert. Okay? Expert ka sa area na yan and it helps you attract clients looking for specialized skills talaga. So, a bottom line dito is you need to update your portfolio to showcase your niche and expertise talaga. Dapat malinaw na ito ang focus mo. Kasi pag hindi ito malinaw na ito yung focus mo, there will be an instant na parang ikaw mismo malilito ka rin. Right? So, that's number 2. So, number 3 natin is we need to craft a compelling brand story. So, ano ba itong brand story? Okay, ito siya, para siyang this is your personal journey and it gives your audience a glimpse of who you are, kung sino ka talaga and what motivates you. Ang brand story mo should include your background, ano ba yung background experience mo, should include also your values and the benefits you offer to your clients. For example, you could say something like, I started freelancing because I wanted to help a small business grow through impactful digital marketing strategies, something like that. Or maybe, I started freelancing because I want to help out yung mga brands or mga businesses with their Facebook ad na mga problems. So, So, mas magiging authentic ka and relatable ka if you're going to share your genuine passion and experience on a certain niche na gusto mong i-focus. Right? So, dapat ang tip nito is you need to keep it short and sweet. Dapat maramdaman ng kliyente na how passionate you are sa ginagawa mo talaga na mga campaign or mga postings mo or whatever you're doing, no? Para mabigyan ng value yung mga pumafollow na sa business mo or sa page mo. Right? Number 4, that's number 3. Number 4 is you need to design a professional visual identity. So, ano ba itong professional, visual pa, tapos identity? Okay? Ito kasi, sabi dito, your visual identity is how clients see your brand. Ito yung logo mo, ito yung colors mo, ito yung fonts mo na ginagamit mo kahit na freelancer ka lang. So, meron ka ng ganito, meron ka ng branding kagad, meron ka na talagang identity. Right? Kahit na wala ka pang client or meron ka bang isang client or kahit na marami kang client, having a professional and consistent look gives you a more credible presence. Start by creating a simple logo that represents your brand. So, napaka-importante ng logo, guys. A lot of freelancers, hindi pa nila alam itong ganito eh. Kasi dapat kasi kahit na wala ka pang client, meron ka ng logo na nag-represent sa'yo as a brand. Right? So, logo, that is the first one. Then, choose a color na branding na ano ba yung pwede mong magamit as a color. Maybe you can use blue na color, red, depende, basta mag-reflect doon sa personality mo. Bright for modern brands or neutral or elegant for more professional na feel. Depende sa gusto mo. Basta importante, meron ka talagang brand and yung mga font mo, dapat consistent yan siya para example, pag Homebase Connect, marinig nila, Homebase Connect, nag-provide yan ng mga ganito, ganyan. Okay? So, sa ngalan mo pa lang, no, nag-create ka na ng brand. Depende sa ano ba yung pinipili mo na niche mo. Okay? From your gig or sa freelancing na gusto mong gawin. Okay? Gamitin mo ang Canva. Canva is really nice and it's free. No? To design your brand, lahat ng mga branding materials mo like logo, social media banners, and even your business cards, pwede mong gawin sa Canva. Napakagaling daling gamitin. It's actually free, so you can use it. So that's number 4. Number 5, in creating building a brand. No, number 4 is what you call, number 5 pala is optimize your online presence. Optimizing your online presence. Kailangan mo ng strong online presence. Ulitin ko, kailangan mo ng strong online presence. Meaning to say, if you want to become an online freelancer, dapat maging active ka sa mga social media platforms. May mga freelancers akong kilala na they don't like, hanging out sa mga social media platforms, which is really okay. Pero if you want to develop or parang ma-optimize talaga yung brand mo, you need to be active sa mga social media platforms. Kahit na isang social media platform lang, as long as meron kang platform. Kasi mangyayari kasi nito, once you apply to some jobs, ngayon, you know what? Clients will go to different online freelancing website and probably stalk you. Stalk sila kung ano ba yung the usual, ano ba yung ginagawa mo as a human being, ano ba yung mga pinopost mo, kasi mag-reflect din niya sa example, i-hire ka nila, mag-reflect, meron silang hint kung ano bang klaseng tao i-hire nila. So kailangan natin ng online na presence. So this includes your website or social media profile, depende. Dapat ang unang natin gamitin is you need to create a professional website that showcase your portfolio, services, and client testimonials. Okay? Pwede mo itong gawin if you have a website already. Pero wala ka pang website, you can use your social media platform. It's either Instagram, Facebook, or X. Depende sa gusto mong napili na social media platform. Make sure na mas madali siyang i-navigate and visually appealing. Ito na yung tinatawag natin ng mga branding, the key number 4 about the branding, yung mga logo mo, mga font mo, make sure na readable siya. Next one is you need to optimize your social media profiles. Keep your bio clear and use professional photo and cover images. Okay, yung cover photo natin. Gamitin to sa lahat ng mga profile mo. This is what I mean by this. Kailangan mo tong maging consistent ka. Let's say for example, ito yung bio mo sa Instagram, ito yung bio mo sa Twitter, ito yung bio mo sa TikTok, or sa Facebook, kung ano yung bio mo doon, the same na bio na dapat mong ilagay sa lahat, even yung LinkedIn. So, dapat the same siya. Kaya again, ang mga clients, some of the clients will, stalk you sa different online freelancing platform if you are consistent as a brand, as a freelancer. So, marami ka talagang gagawin guys in order for you to become um, successful dito when it comes to branding talaga. Okay, that's number 5. Okay, number 6 is showcase your expertise through content. Okay, again guys, content creation is key to establishing yourself as an expert. Okay, paano ba to gagawin? Okay? Share valuable content na related doon sa niche mo. You can start a blog or the vlog, which is ngayon pinaka-trending ngayon vlog eh. You can start a vlog where you can share some tips, mga tutorials, mga insights. Kung social media manager ka, share tips on how to increase engagement or the best tools for managing multiple accounts. By doing this, you're also giving parang hint sa mga clients mo na, okay, ito yung gagawin ko if you're going to hire me. So, again, glimpse sa client is really important. Pwede ka rin gumawa ng mga case studies to highlight successful na mga projects na ginawa mo in the past. Show before and after results, tapos ipakita mo kung paano mo natulungan ang mga kliyente na na-achieve ng mga goals nila. Okay, it's either nasa Facebook ads, sa SEO, sa from example web development from this particular website to this nang ikaw na nag-start ng manage doon sa kanilang page. So ito na nangyari so meron talagang before and after. So dapat we need to be really consistent doon sa content mo. Regular posting helps you keep you top of mind for potential clients. So by doing this, talagang magkaroon ka talaga ng advantage na. That's number 6. Number 7 is build trust and social proof. Ito yung pinaka nagustuhan ko. Sa out of the 9 things that I'll be sharing sa inyo, ito yung pinakagustuhan ko. Build trust and social proof. Okay. Trust is everything sa freelancing. Napaka-importante ng trust. Even outside sa freelancing world, trust is really important. And the best way to build trust is through social proof. Ano ba ito social proof? Okay. Ang social proof, ito yung mga testimonies or mga testimonials or I think I remember yung Friendster that time meron siyang testimony about you. So it's basically like that. No, ito yung mga testimonials, mga reviews, and mga success stories. No? Pwede kang humingi ng mga reviews sa mga previous clients mo at i-post mo ito sa website or sa social media platforms. No? Like I said, ito yung sinasabi ko sa mga students ko. Testimonials show clients na reliable ka at magaling ka sa trabaho. If ako, to be honest, if I go to a certain website and if I'm buying something there, hindi ako naka-close doon sa kanilang mga doon sa mga copy nila. If you're gonna buy this, if you're gonna enroll this, maging ganito ka, maging ganyan. Hindi ako nagfo-focus doon. Nagfo-focus talaga ako doon sa mga reviews, sa mga previous na mga students nila or sa mga previous na mga results nila. Kahit na may makita lang akong 3 na review, kahit na hindi ka pa kilalang tao, pero nag-review dong isang tao doon mo talaga ako ma-sold. Okay, doon ako makapag-swipe or makapagbili or makapag-enroll na product or services, whatever you're offering, to me, doon talaga ako ma-close. So basically, ang social proof is really important because it can sell. Okay? Yan ang tip natin, no? So, ang tip ito, use case studies to show your expertise and results. Focus on the positive impact you've had sa mga previous na clients mo. So, napaka-importante. Again, this is my favorite. Number 7, build trust and social proof. Number 8, network and collaborate. So sino ba ito? I think ako kasi makarelate ako dito kasi I've been naging part din ako sa isang networking na company, which is actually good. Networking is another powerful tool to grow your personal brand as a freelancer. So ang gagawin mo dito is to join different online freelancing communities like Facebook groups or sa mga LinkedIn na mga networks mo. You can engage with fellow freelancers and potential clients. You can also consider collaborating with other freelancers. For example, kung graphic designer ka, you could work with a content writer to offer a complete branding na package. So this is really important. Maybe in the future you can have a parang big business because of your expertise, and with your friends na mga expertise then you can probably create a wide and big na tatawag nito na agency na pwede mong pwede mong ma-offer din sa mga clients mo in the future. So, network and collaboration is really important. Even mga vloggers na ngayon, di ba? They network and they collaborate because through collaboration, ma-mix nila yung mga different mga followings nila, right? Follower dito, example, si Kong TV, si Nayana ba yan? Or si Alex Gonzaga, di ba? Mag-collaborate sila. Meaning, nag-mix yung mga audiences nila, and then mga audiences nila, they come up and meet together then, and they created another set of audiences, no? Sa kanilang dalawa. It's really powerful. Network and collaboration. If papiliin ako na ano ba yung number 2 ko dun sa building and social proof, ito yung number 2 ko, network and collaborate. Right? Okay, that's number 8. Number 9 is to stay consistent and evolve your brand. Napaka-importante. Consistency is your key. Keeping your branding consistent across your website, social media, and even your emails. Kapag consistent ka, kahit na hindi sa online freelancing world, kahit na sa outside freelancing world, kahit na pa sa relationship, kahit na sa pagiging dad mo or mommy mo, or sa pagiging boyfriend or girlfriend mo, or sa pagiging whatever you're doing right now, kapag consistent ka, mas madaling maalala ng clients ang brand mo. Okay? But as you grow and learn new skills, don't forget to evolve your brand too. Kailangan mo ring isabay yung brand na pag-evolve ng brand mo. If you add a new service or meron ka na master na panibagong skill, i-update mo rin yung portfolio at website para makita ng clients ang mga bagong offerings mo. This way, you're also giving your client ng information. Oy, I can also, ganito, ito lang yung in-offer namin. Pero ngayon, in the next few months, pwede na kaming mag-social media, pwede na kaming mag-graphic designing, pwede na kaming mag-TikTok ads, pwede na kaming mag-LinkedIn ads. So, marami kang options and skills na pwede mong ma-offer sa client mo. So, regularly review your brand to ensure it still reflects who you are and what you offer. Okay? So, that is yung those are the 9 things na kailangan natin na ma-identify. Okay? So, yeah, that's it for today, no? Building a personal brand takes a lot of time and effort talaga, but it's definitely worth it. A strong brand helps you stand out, attract more clients, attract na maraming clients, and build long-term success as a freelancer. So, yeah, I think that's pretty much it for this episode, guys. If you like this, pwede bang makihingi ng like? Or maybe you can follow me on Spotify and on YouTube ng mga podcasts. So, that's it for today, guys. See you sa ating next na podcast. Boss Jake TV, let's go.
Thank you for listening to the Home-Based Connect podcast. If you want to become a virtual assistant, you may visit us at homebasedconnect.com, or you can follow Boss Jake TV on YouTube and Facebook.